Anacrusis notation, also known as pickup notation, is a type of musical notation that indicates the beginning of a musical piece or section with an incomplete measure or partial measure. The anacrusis is the initial portion of the music that comes before the first complete measure. The purpose of using anacrusis notation is to avoid starting a piece of music with an incomplete measure, which may create confusion for the performer and disrupt the rhythmic flow of the music. Instead, the anacrusis provides a smooth transition into the first complete measure, allowing the performer to establish the correct tempo and rhythm. Anacrusis notation is often used in music genres such as classical, jazz, and popular music. It is indicated by a small note or series of notes before the first full measure, and the duration of the anacrusis is usually subtracted from the total number of measures in the piece. For example, a piece of music with a 4-measure anacrusis and 16 measures in total would be notated as 12 measures of complete music. In music that begins with an anacrusis, the last measure is often notated as an incomplete bar to balance the opening incomplete measure. For example, in 4/4 meter, a quarter-note anacrusis would be balanced by a final measure of only 3 beats. In Hensel's Neue Liebe, Neues Leben, the 2-beat anacrusis at the beginning is balanced by a final bar of only 2 beats, shown in part B. If you listen without a score, you might hear the beginning of this song as a downbeat. Why might Hensel have set this text with an upbeat? Perhaps her sensitivity to the accents and meaning of the text suggested that the second, hers, heart, on the downbeat of measure 1, was the more important word for a metric accent, as was sehr, very, at the end of the phrase. Thank you for watching this video lesson on anacrusis notation in music theory. I hope you found it informative and helpful in your musical studies. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more music theory lessons and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of new content. Thank you again for your support and interest in music theory.